Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like this video, comment down below why you're so excited about the holiday season. Share this video with your friends and family. It helps people discover my content and it helps my page grow. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I hope you guys have a happy holiday. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, we're going to make gluten-free pumpkin mini muffins for Thanksgiving. This is the perfect fall recipe and it's very delicious. It's healthier option than your regular desserts. This is made with almond flour. Now get your kit ready and let's get started. We're going to need 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of the Dannon Oikos 000 Greek yogurt and vanilla. It's going to be a little challenge to remove it from the measuring cup, but I believe in you. 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1.5 cup plus 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1/2 cup of raw honey, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of pure pumpkin puree. It can be homemade or from a can. 1 tablespoon coconut oil melted. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Make sure you blend all the ingredients together with a whisk. In a muffin tin that's been well sprayed with nonstick cooking spray or coated with coconut oil, scoop the batter so that each muffin cup is 2/3 of the way full. Make sure not to overfill them. Set the muffin tin aside and we're going to create the topping. It's going to be 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 cup of pecans, chopped or crushed. Now, this is delicious. Look at that. We're gonna mix it with a fork and we're going to be using this to place as a topping for the muffin. So while it's baking, it's giving it an extra flavor, an extra spice. I used 1/2 teaspoon as a guide to evenly distribute this topping. As you can see, I have not placed the muffins in the oven just yet. We need to make sure that we apply the topping first. Now place this in the oven and bake for 14 to 16 minutes if you are creating mini muffins. If you're creating larger muffins, you want to place them 16 to 25 minutes until done. Now remove and let the muffins cool and enjoy your beautiful creation. Hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving and use this recipe as your dessert. This was so delicious.